If you look closely at my eyes, you'll see that my right eyeshadow is more vibrant and deeper as compared to the left eye, even though I've used the exactly same eyeshadows with the same brushes and techniques. Then how come such a major difference? In case you're curious to know, then please keep on watching. On my left eye, I'll be priming my lids with the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude. But on my right eye, instead of the same concealer, I'm using a deeper shade of concealer that I use as a contour, which is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. And I won't be setting my concealers as I'll be using shimmer shadows and they stick better on the unset concealers. For demonstration purposes, I'll be using the Nautical Nonsense palette by Wet n Wild. Now taking this deep shimmer magenta shade on my flat brush, I'll be saturating my entire lid with it on my left eye. Using the same brush and the eyeshadow, I'll be saturating my other eye as well, and as you can see, because I have a deeper base, my eyeshadow have turned out to be more vibrant and deeper. Now dipping my flat brush in this shimmery duochrome silver gold shade, I'll be placing it on the inner corner of my lid. And I'll be placing the same shadow in the inner corner of my other lid, and because the pink eyeshadow underneath is more vibrant and deeper, it's also making the silver duochrome shade on top of it pop more. Using this plum shade on my Sigma brush E40, I'll blend the edges of the eyeshadow on my crease. And very quickly, I'll be cleaning up underneath my eye using a concealer. For my lower lash lines, I'll again be using the deep matte plum shade with my PAC brush in the style 126. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'll be using this shimmery champagne shade with my flat short shader brush. And to finish up, I am coating my lashes with some mascara, and the mascara that I'm using is the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal. And for falsies, I'm using the NY Bay lashes in the style Ultimate Lashes. And here is the finished look. So if you enjoyed this video and happen to learn something, then please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. And if you want to watch more hacks like these, then do let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to create some for you guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.